Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I have come with a new video that is really going to be very important and very interesting to you. Do you know why? Because in this video I'm just going to share to you how you could speak English language confidently and fluently without hesitations, and you can boost your communication skills really in very fluent way and can speak English language like a confident person, and you will not be fear at all. Well, so I hope you are doing great and learning English language great way, and I'm doing great too. So well, I just want to know from you, for all the peoples, I just want to know from them that first the thing for learning English language is that you just have to be curiosity, because if you will not having the curiosity to learn something new, then you cannot learn. Because not talking about only English language, if we are just talking about our educations or learning any something else also, there is needed that you just have to be curiosity of doing that. Because if you will not be curiosity of doing that, then definitely you could not be success in that learning phase. So definitely if you will having the curiosity to know the English language, then only you could be speak English language confidently, fluently, without hesitation, without fearness. So the first thing that you just have to maintain is that you just have to be a determined person. Because if you will determined person, then definitely you could be a great person in your future life, and definitely in a month, in a 2 months, you could speak English language like a pro, and definitely you could able to see a good result in yourself, that I am able to speak well English language than the earlier time. So the thing that is being needed for speaking English language is that you just have to follow some tips through which you could learn English language in a great way. So what are the tips through which you could learn English language in a great way? The first thing is that you just have to be consistent towards your learning English language. Because if you will not be consistent towards your learning English language, then it is possible that you could able to speak English language in a flow, and if you will not maintain the flow of speaking English language, then definitely you could not be able to see your result of speaking English language, your improvement of speaking English language in an efficient way. So I would like to suggest to you is that you just have to be consistent in speaking English language. Because if we will just maintain your consistency, and most of the people, like 99% of the people, they just don't maintain their consistency of speaking English language or in learning something else. That's why they just lose the success to achieve that. So you don't have to lose this kind of thing. You just have to focus at how I could be improve my communication skills, and how I just have to manage my time, how the time you just have to utilize your speaking English language. You just have to think about this. Because if we'll just think about this, that definitely I just want to learn English language in a great way, then only you could speak English language. Okay, so the first thing is that you just have to be consistent towards speaking English language. And the second thing is that practice. Because if you practice most and most, you could able to speak English language in a fluent way, and you don't have to fear about speaking English language. When you just start to speak, when you just try to speak something in English, then at the first time all the people they fear, but we don't have to think about that fearness. We don't have to think that we could not able to speak English language. If you really want to be a fluent speaker, then there is needed that you just have to speak English language with accuracy and confidence. Then how you could boost your confidence? You could boost your confidence through the consistency and through the practice. The regular practice can enhance your communication skills, and you could speak English language like a pro speaker. And the thing that is being needed is that you don't have to lose up. Because if you'll just give up, or if you'll just lose up for speaking English language, for learning English language, then do you think that you could able to achieve the success or just improvement of speaking English language? Definitely not. So the thing that is being needed is that you just have to go to any applications in the social media. You just have to search on any co-learners, and you just have to talk with them. Because you will practice with the co-learner, then only you could boost your confidence in a better way. Because in the co-learners, all the people they belong to other state, similar state you could say, or somewhere you could say that from the other country. So it will help you to boost your communication skills in an efficient way. That's why I just think that there is needed that you just have to speak English language with a co-learner. So the thing that is being needed for speaking English language, that is being needed for improving our communication skill, is that you just have to be consistent. The first thing is that you just have to be consistent. The second thing is that you just have to speak English language with a lots of people. You just have to practice English language. And the third thing is that you just have to do this kind of activities with a co-learner, because if you will speak with the co-learners, then it will help to boost your communication skills by removing your hesitations. That's why I just want to suggest to you, it is really very necessary to follow this kind of thing. Then definitely you could speak English language like a good speaker. So thank you guys, I will meet in the next video.